Have you ever been in a quiet room when your stomach suddenly starts growling? This common, yet often embarrassing phenomenon is scientifically known as borborygmi. When you're hungry, your brain signals the digestive system to prepare for food. As a result, your stomach and intestines start the process called migrating motor complex. This initiates a series of muscle contractions to clear out food remnants and digestive juices. These contractions, combined with the air pockets in your gastrointestinal tract, cause the rumbling noise we all recognize. Interestingly, this process occurs even if you're not particularly hungry, but tends to be more noticeable when your stomach is empty. So, next time you hear those growls, remember, it's just your body staying ready for your next meal.